Hello guys, and welcome back to another episode of Art with Mr. P. If you're new to the channel, I am Mr. P. And if you've been here before, welcome back. Now that we have all of those things out of the way, let's move forward and I will meet you around the drawing table. Guys, and welcome to Art with Mr. P. Let's get right to it. Today we are going to draw George Washington. All right, so let's get right to it. So first, we are going to draw an oval. Are you ready? Here we go. Just like that. Not perfect, but that's quite all right. Then next, we're going to draw his hair. We're going to go up, kind of make a V shape, come around, make a little circle. Then we're going to stop because that's going to be the bottom of his sideburn. You ready? Now we're going to go up. We're going to follow that line. Wrap under a half C, another half C, and another half C. And then we're going to come back around and we're going to do it just like that. All right? All right. So next, we are going to draw his hair on the left side. Half C, half C, and half C. There we go. So then we're going to come back to the middle and make his nose. Come down. Curve it under. Then we want to make an eyebrow. That's one eyebrow. Make another eyebrow. Okay. Bring a line down. Take it over. Another line down. And take it over again. 2 circles. There you have it. You have George Washington. Okay. So now what we want to do, we want to make his collar. Let's go make a collar. All right, so we're going to make a half C, half C, half C. Now we're going to connect that. Go up, make a half triangle. We're going to bring that back over, just like so. Okay? Start from here, come down, up, make it just like that. There we go. Yeah, good job. And so, just to have a little bit of fun, we can make a little rectangle around it. Make a line like that. You can bring the line down. I'm going to come back all the way over. And make it just like that. Okay. Slide that up a little bit. There we go. Yeah, it's kind of like a makeshift bill. Okay? Money. All right. So, there you have it. We have George Washington. Okie dokie. And so I'm just going to outline it a little bit, and I'll see you guys real soon. Thank you guys so much for joining me here in Art with Mr. P. I hope that you guys learned a few things or two. In the meantime, next time, bring a friend or family member along. That way they can also learn how to draw as well. But continue to draw, continue to have fun, and continue to imagine. And tell you what, we will meet again around the drawing table. Until then, see you later.